Critical warning. Smoke plume detected. Potential fire hazard. Human verification required immediately.
They tell you the future is hardware. More cameras, more drones, more sensors. But they hide the real nightmare. The data tsunami. Millions of data points per second. Human operators drowning in noise. Critical events completely missed. Making an AI truly see is not easy. It requires perfect data orchestration. It requires filtering the noise to find the exact signal. Welcome to the Central Brain. This is how you build a real smart city. Listen closely. This is the sound of a city. 10,000 cameras, 50,000 sensors, a constant, deafening pulse. Hardware is the easy part. The real threat is the data tsunami, a flood of raw 5G video and LoRa telemetry that drowns human operators. Critical events are missed. The system fails. To survive, we don't need more screens. We need a centralized cognitive filter, an AI brain that correlates the signal from the noise in real time, distilling millions of data points into one. Simple, actionable alert. This is not a concept. This is Bangkok AI, pure data orchestration. The hardware trap is dead.
Everyone, the reason we brought this up today is because the Bangkok governor election is just around the corner. We are seeing a lot of visions and policies about building an AI city. But let me be clear, this is not just a blueprint for Bangkok. This architecture can be applied to any major city in the world. What you've seen so far, the drones, the IP cameras, the LoRa sensors, honestly, deploying that hardware is not the hard part. That is just basic engineering. The real challenge, the true heart of making a smart city actually work, begins the moment you turn those devices on. The real problem is data orchestration. How do you design a centralized AI system at the ground station that can survive a massive data tsunami 24/7? How do you teach an AI to filter out the digital noise, extract only the critical events, and alert humans in real time? That is the hardest part. And that is the true value of applying AI to a city. Putting a heavy brain on a drone is not the answer. Having software that truly understands all the data on the ground, that is the real game changer. So what do you guys think? After hearing about the zero onboard computing concept and this 5G LoRa architecture, do you think this is a realistic solution for Bangkok or your own city? Do you have any other engineering perspectives to add? Let me know in the comments below. I'll be reading and replying to your thoughts. If you enjoy deep tech architecture breakdowns like this, please subscribe to Bangkok AI Studio. See you in the next video.